Hi, this is Jean DeMeo, Editorial Director for Building Products Magazine and its website ebuild.com, and Chief Editor online for EcoHome. In this segment of Product Spotlight, I will be discussing the winners of the 2010 Building Products Most Palatable Product Awards. There are 11 winners in this segment, and the other winners will be featured in 2 other videos. Each year, the editors of Building Products receive hundreds of new product announcements, but none capture our attention more than the annual collection of entries in the MVP Awards competition. Singling out the best of the best falls on a distinguished panel of judges, made up of pros like you. This year, the judges selected 31 winners covering a diverse range of product categories and technologies. And without further ado, here are the next set of winners. The Quick Torch from Burns-O-Matic offers more than just a new beefed-up cordless drill look. It delivers a 30% soldering time faster than earlier models and a high-intensity adjustable swirl flame that the company says offers the best efficiency output in the category. The tool operates with an on-off switch and with max power propylene fuel, which offers 20% faster heat transfer than propane. Additionally, a 40% reduction in height allows the tool to fit into tighter spots. Using shingle strips instead of panels, the EcoShell Smart Shingle system installs faster, lasts longer, and costs less than traditional cedar shingles, according to the manufacturer. EcoShell shingles are connected with fiberglass mesh and clips that allow them to expand and contract. The strips can bow toward the front or the back, but always install straight, the manufacturer claims. They attach with 2 nails per shingle and have no backer board, so they install as a 3-layer shingle system, providing protection from weather and wind-blown precipitation. The end look has a random width appearance. An MVP winner last year for its innovative use of manufactured stone indoors, Eldorado Stone's outdoor innovations captured the judges' attention this year. The Eldorado Outdoor collection of lightweight building blocks assembles quickly on-site into configurations for custom barbecue islands, kitchen counters, bars, fire pits, and much more. Constructed of glass fiber reinforced concrete, the units install in less than half the time of traditional building techniques, such as CMU block, the maker says. It's a great concept to save time and money, commented one of our judges. The Green Ward Ridge Vent system from Energy Alternatives combines the benefits of a ridge vent system with alternative hot water generation. The system harvests hot air escaping from the attic, transferring heat into a water glyco solution in a closed-loop system. The hot liquid returns to the tank where it is used to heat the water. According to the firm, Green Ward can save 50% to 70% a year in water heating bills. An ingenious application, one judge remarked. The Kohler Flipside offers a new spin on a traditional hand shower. Fun and functional, the product features a rotating head with each of the 4 sides dedicated to a different spray type. It has a great streamlined look and great function for a great price, remarked one MVP judge, adding that it's fresh look for everyday object. Flipside comes in 3 designs and 2 finishes. The Key Control Deadbolt from Kwikset is a smart and secure alternative to master keying. It differs from traditional pin and tumbler master key deadbolts because it contains 2 cylinders, 1 concealed cylinder to be used by the property manager, allowing for 1 key control to all units, and a 2nd cylinder to be used by the tenant or the individual user. This means that property managers can rekey every lock in 3 simple steps without removal of the door. Who hasn't had to deal with the cost and frustration of rekeying, said one MVP judge. This is a true solution. The EnergyCore Windows system from Micron uses insulated frame technology to deliver energy savings 6 times better than fiberglass, 4 times better than rigid PVC, and 3 times better than wood, the maker states, and it's 15% more efficient than hollow vinyl frame windows. It looks like EnergyCore Window offers a truly energy-efficient option in vinyl windows, observed one MVP judge. The key is an air cell insulating core that creates a thermal barrier combined with a tri-extrusion manufacturing process. When combined with triple glazing, the windows with EnergyCore frame system exceed current Energy Star requirements by 50%, the firm claims. Faster, easier installation will result with this handy tool, an MVP judge commented about Paslow's new cap stapler house wrap stapling system. The tool's button cap design seats the cap fully on the house wrap, plastic sheathing or roofing felt, protecting against tearing and ensuring a tight seal and no possibility of water damage due to water getting under the cap, the firm claims. A large capacity reel of 240 caps and 90 staples with an open design allows for quick reloading. The tool is lightweight at under 5 pounds, loaded, and has adjustable depth of drive, a quick clear nose, and an inline magazine for greater balance and control. Rinnai's condensing tankless water heaters offer the benefit of traditional tankless water heaters, including continuous hot water and the ability to run multiple appliances at the same time, coupled with even greater energy savings and an easy-to-install design. The line's 2 models incorporate 2 heat exchangers to deliver up to 95% thermal efficiency, and they capture residual heat from flue gases to preheat incoming groundwater. A concentric venting system means just one pipe needs to be fitted and locked into place, simplifying installation. It is a cost-effective product for the homeowner and the builder, one MVP judge said, adding that these products are the wave of the future. Trex Transcend 95% recycled content decking is protected by a shell that provides a high-definition wood grain pattern and improves stain and fade resistance for the look of a composite with the durability of PVC. The shell's 3-sided design lets the underside of each board breathe, allowing moisture to escape and offering better adhesion and performance than a fully encapsulated board, according to the manufacturer. It will not rot, warp, or crack, says the maker, and has an impressive 25-year limited warranty against fading and staining. A waterproof alternative to wooden deck joists, Wahoo Deck's Dry Joist EZ combines structural stability with deck drainage. Water drains from the deck into 2-inch deep channels, protecting the space below, while the undersides sport a beadboard pattern for a visually appealing ceiling underneath. The product's 2 components install by snapping together, a time and money saver, one judge appreciated. Made from powder-coated aluminum with 50% recycled content, Dry Joist EZ is fireproof and bug-proof, says the company. The joists come in lengths up to 24 feet. This is Jean DeMeo. Thank you for joining me for this product spotlight on the Most Valuable Product Award winners for 2010.